What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy mods that'll add a little flavor to your car. Also, some utility. Also, if you enjoy any of my content, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me a ton. Let's get into it. Let's get started. I got this kit on Amazon. It's a silicone plate cover. I've used these before. I love these, especially when you're running a sub. I also got some mounting hardware. These might be a little controversial, but I love this kind of stuff. I'm gonna pop new shadow lights in my doors, and I'll show you what those look like later in the dark. And then finally, I'm super stoked about these. I want to change my emblems to Shadowline emblems, guys. Now, the seller claims he makes his own molds and then makes these obviously based off of an OEM emblem, and I have the front and rear. So they're 2 different sizes. I wanted to go American Panda, but I just couldn't justify the price. And who knows, if these don't work out in the future, maybe I will go American Panda, because I know they actually use OEM emblems, but figured I'd give these a try. I think they're about 80 or 90 bucks. And again, the guy was super cool, replied super fast. The finish isn't the worst. See a little bit of chrome there. And then the back looks like it almost has OEM markings on it, which is interesting. I'm gonna do the plate first, because the plate's easy. Plate's quick. And it's kind of a nothing burger, but I figured I'd show you guys. Also, they supply you with a trim tool to get your plate in, so let's pop the plate in right now. I'm gonna go bottom first here. What a tedious, there you go. I mean, I guess I could just do this, be an adult about it. Look at that, don't even need you. Let's go ahead and stack it up right there. Oh, you know what? They supply you with a bit, that's great. Let's get you in. Yeah, there you go. Looks pretty clean. Subtle. Remember, that's the goal with this car. Subtle mods, a collective amount of subtle mods. Don't need you anymore. So the way I like to tear tape is like this. Fold it over, make a tail, and do that. You see? Now you get a nice little tail too. Easy to come off. There you go. Okay, let's see here. If I go around like this. Oh, it's lifting, we're getting there. Just gotta go slow. Jiminy Christmas. Well, got it off. I'm doing a paint correction video coming up anyway. Look how cool I look, guys, huh? How rad is this? I'm like a doctor. Why do doctors have that round circle thing? What is that? This, in theory, should go right in. Let's see. That is good looking. Dope. Subtle mod. But I think that looks really good. I have a feeling the American, so like, there's a little bit of play. I'm not too worried about it, but I can almost guarantee that the American Panda one would fit absolutely perfect. So maybe at one point I'll upgrade, but yeah, that is dope. And if we AB them, I mean, it looks like the roundel's a little bit bigger in this than in the original. The finish is not as good. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like the paint is not as good as this, but for 90 bucks, I think it's pretty good. I think the American Panda is like double. So I would say this, if you have the money, I would just go the American Panda, because like, you can see the clear coat on this guy. It's a little better. This still has clear, but you can just feel. Like, I don't know how long that's gonna last in the sun, but in any event, there it is, and I do think it looks badass. Not looking forward to the rear after I just did the front. You don't need to go ham on this thing. You just kind of slowly find where the adhesive is and saw it. Okay, that seems pretty good. Let's go the other side here. All right. I think we got all the adhesive. There you go. Yeah, this one's way easier. I need you. Saturate this thing. Get it around here. This is the tedious part. What a tedious pain in the ass, dude. Finally got it though. I'm gonna hit it with some isopropyl alcohol. Take off all the goo gone that's on there. I think I'm just gonna put 2 strips, dude. Honestly, like, I don't know how long I'm gonna run these. Let's pop this on there and see if we like it, huh? Please be cool. Please at least be kind of cool. Okay. You know, I don't even know if you need the fucking adhesive, to be honest, but whatever. I did. Put her on there. It's on there. Yeah, it's the same with this. The fitment is just not... The fitment is not the coolest. But, whatever. That does look cool though, damn. It's funny how just like a subtle mod like that really changes up the look of it. With the black outline. Yeah, it's cool, dude. It's cool. I'm not gonna lie. And that's the thing, is like, when you look at it, it's fine. It looks good. I think it's just knowing that it's not like, you know, OEM, but for now, I put them on. I do like the aesthetic a lot. I definitely want to run these, or run this Shadowline emblem regardless. But yeah, man, so that's those. All right, so mod 2 done. These are the best, organic. I drink like 10 a day. All right, next up on the old docket are these. Now again, like I said before, you can hit home runs sometimes with eBay. And I could not find these on Amazon. Oh, what? There's 2 per? I don't need 4 of them. Damn, dude. So, interesting. They give you this, like, cable. These should be plug and play. But this might just change the polarity, which looks like you might have to plug this into the factory harness and then plug this in to make it work. I don't know. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go pop these in. Yeah, I had a spiritual journey with my M Sport seats, but they are comfortable now, dude. Okay, where are you? There you are. I was trying to take you out from... no. Okay, so they go in like that. That's the direction you want to go. So I got this side out. Let's go ahead and unplug it. I just pulled it out. Strong-armed it. Oh, okay. So that's why they give it to you. I need to tap these wires. I already don't like these because of how, like, just kind of ghetto, dude. Oh, these are the wrong ones. I'm so pissed. I didn't want the BMW logo. Cool. Livid. God bless, dude. God bless. Well, this ruined the surprise, didn't it? All right. Like 3 weeks later, I found a vendor. The box looks the exact same, and apparently these are the right ones. So, let's just hope they are. Because if they're not, I'm gonna throw up in my hands. They do look better. Way better constructed than the other ones, and there's none of that bullshit jumper cable crap I have to do. Is it like this? Yeah, okay, cool. Boom. Okay. These are some of the hardest fittings to take out for me for some reason. Okay. It is this guy. Please be the right one. Dude. There you go. Yes! Yes! Boom, son. I cannot wait to see that at night. I'm so stoked. That made it worth it. And you do this. Now, some of you might think it's a corny mod. But honestly, I don't care. I love it. It's a nice little touch that you see at night. and it just feels special. And I have the M kit, I'm allowed. I have M door sills, I'm allowed. There's M things. It doesn't say M3, it doesn't say M5, it doesn't say M whatever. Just M. Let me live my life. These are hard to find though. It was really hard for me to find M logo puddle lights. Like normally it was all day long on Amazon, but I don't know if they cracked down, they meaning BMW, or I don't know what, but they're not super easy to find anymore. But I'll definitely link the vendor that I found. And obviously I think there is an OEM option. That's not right. Is there a right and a left? There might be. I might have just got lucky on that. Let's see. This one in. Okay, good. Yep, there's a right and a left, which makes total sense. Boom. Nice, dude. I can't wait. I'll show you guys at night, but that's gonna look sick. That is gonna be a nice little, just a nice little touch. All right, I get it. Some of you think this might be corny, like I said earlier, but I love it, dude. I love it. You get a little dual M action, and it's a clean. Some of these are really shitty. This is like a nice, sharp, high-res image. It just looks awesome. Here's the back doors. Boom, son. Boom, son. Dual M's. Battling M's. It's just a nice little touch. You know, it's like when you're in a parking garage or like right now. I just think it looks cool. I like it. So, yeah, look how sharp that is, dude. I'd highly recommend these. If you like these are great. If you don't like these, totally get it. I love them. Good for you if you don't. Wait, I love them. Good for you if you... All right, so first things first. I do love the aesthetic of the all black badges. I think it's awesome. However, if I'm being nitpicky, which I am, there's still some like chrome. It's a faint line. Looks like the mold just kind of went over a little bit, which kind of bothers me. But overall, for the money, I think this is a good value option. However, there is a bit of a fitment, like, can you see it rocking back and forth? So it's not ideal. I also didn't put any adhesive below, so that will probably help. And the rear logo also looks good too, man. I mean, like, I like it, I dig it. I think it looks cool. It doesn't fit as well either. You know, there's a lot of play in the badge still. So again, I think I paid 85 bucks for them, and I think the American Panda are like $250 or something. But I will say, if you have the money, just go straight to American Panda. They'll be OEM roundels, they'll fit perfectly. And I'm probably gonna do that eventually, but right now, it's cool. And then here's the license plate frame. It's subtle. It's just nice to have a black frame. I don't like to have a raw plate. But also the main benefit with this is the rattle. It's gonna stop a lot of the rattle when I install my 10-inch JL sub. Obviously the trunk lid's still gonna rattle, but the license plate's a big offender. It makes that loud sound when you're bumping. And then the lights, dude. I love the Puddle lights. I think the Puddle lights are awesome. Again, it's just a fun mod. You guys saw it earlier. I highly recommend getting those. And that wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like this, again, please consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, have a good one.